Here, in this, we are arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic number and changed as electronic configuration. According to that electronic configuration, we are distributing the elements in the classification. But after reaching the zinc, we are facing the problem. So that's why the position of boron to neon and aluminum to argon was changed toward the right end, because that neon argon completely the main shell ending, main energy level, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, like that. Next, n equal to 4 from potassium to zinc. Then after zinc, from gallium to krypton, we are had. So helium also ending the shell, ends with the shell. So that's why I'm placing extremely right hand. Then here gallium to the krypton. Next, rubidium to xenon, francium to cesium to radon, and francium to organism. So everything is fine. Then what about these missing elements? 57 to 71 and 89 to 103. So that 57 to 71 filled with the F orbital having the configuration D1, F1. Right? D1, F1. So that's why here, see here, that places what the spaces left, they are not filled with the elements. So that's why I am clearing them. So now I got the structure. So why I am separating this 51 to 71 and 89 to 103 separately? So here, if you see the structure, what happens? So here I am getting the structure maybe like this. If I fill that two columns. So that structure may be here like this. So this is giving you very long form, right? Giving you very long form. So that is the reason for separating these to the bottom. So I separated them. Then I am joining these together. What happens? So now your structure will be like this for the periodic table, right? So have you got clarity why the periodic table remained with this structure? Is it clear what the structure I got for the periodic table? By separating these F block elements at the bottom of periodic table, just I avoided a long formation. So minimized. Is it clear? Just to go for quick reaction, clear or not? Why they are separated? Only two horizontal rows are there, right? So that is the reason to separate them. There is no what a problem raised by them separation, by the separation of the two rows. So now I got the structure like this for the periodic classification. So what I did, 57 to 71 elements are separated at the bottom of the periodic table, right? Bottom of the periodic table. So that 14 elements, 57 to 71 and 89 to 103, 14 elements, F black. So 4F and 5F, both are separated. Both are separated at the bottom of the periodic table. So this is, I got a final structure or outline for the periodic table. So how I got this periodic table structure? Was it clear? Use a quick reaction or unmute yourself to respond. Yes. So this is the modern periodic table classification. Are you clear about this one? Shall we move to the another discussion? If you got outline of the periodic table. Right. So now we'll move for the other discussion. What we'll learn in this periodic classification. Right. So that is here. Just a second, I'll clear this one. Then look at. I classified these elements available into these arrangement. So I'm able to see these in two ways, horizontally and vertically. So these horizontal rows, I'm calling these eyes here periods. Then vertical columns, I'm calling them eyes groups. So in the groups, you are going to observe similarity. What similarity? In their electronic configuration, but there is no similarity in the periods, right? Always from one element to the next element, electronic configuration increased by 1 unit. For example, lithium with 3 electrons, beryllium with 4 electrons. So increased by 1 electron, by 1 unit, right? So horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called as groups. How many are there? How many are there? Horizontal rows. Don't go for the separated one. They are included into the 6th and 7th horizontal row. So how many horizontal rows are there? Count them. Just here, I started starting count. Here, first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So how many horizontal rows are there? 7 horizontal rows are there. How many? 7 horizontal rows are there. Then how many number of vertical columns are there here? Number of vertical columns. So counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So number of groups are 18. Number of periods are 7. As like your subjects. Number of subjects are 7. Number of periods also 7. Don't count the repeated one, right? So like that, you are able to remember them easily. So number of periods are 7. Number of groups are 18. So counting of groups and periods are completed. Then here, assigning the number for them. So here, groups are assigned with Arabic numerals in modern system. So I am assigning a number for them using counting numbers, Arabic numerals. So they are called as here modern group numbers. So how many numbers are there? 18. For example, what is the group number of neon here? Can anybody answer me? What is the group number of neon? Answer me. Don't waste the time. Neon group number, anyone? Abhinay, what is the group number of neon?
Sir, 8.
According to modern system. See what I am given. 18, right? So now I'm going for traditional system. So in traditional system, we are using the Roman numerals. Modern system, Arabic numerals, counting numbers. Traditional system, Roman numerals. So I am writing the Roman numerals as following here. So look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I am coming from the right end. Follow me carefully. I am moving towards right end now. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So 2 left. The 2 I am adding to the previous one, 8. So these 3 together, I am taking as 8th group only. Clear? Or any confusion? I am following easy method for remembering them. Right? So follow carefully. Then groups, numbers given using Roman numerals, assigning that subgroups A and B is mentally followed. So now assigning subgroups. So all the towers, heights given with A. So 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, only towers, heights. Next, remaining D block, B block. D block is B, DB. So all are B. So clear to remember these. If you know the outline, you are able to give the numbers easily, right? If you are able to give the numbers easily, you are able to find the group number and period number for the particular element. So this is Arabic numerals, counting numbers, modern system, Roman numerals, traditional system. So what about our Indian system? Following the both, modern and traditional. So modern number and traditional number, both we are giving for the elements. For example, if you take any element, for example, here boron I am taking. So boron group number, what we are writing, modern number first, it is 13. So here is there. Next, traditional number 3A, followed in a parenthesis. So like this, we are assigning the group number in our Indian system. What about its period number? So period numbers are given 1 to 7, right? Horizontal rows. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what about the period number of boron? It is in the third horizontal row. So this is period number. This is period number. Now, is it clear about modern periodic table? A few more discussions are there, not completed. We'll continue by tomorrow. So up to here, is there any confusion or you are feeling good? Better than your previous knowledge? Are you feeling better than previous knowledge? Give me your response, quick response. It is better than previous knowledge? Yes. So follow this method. If you like it, then easy for your higher levels also, in your higher class also, right? So few more discussions are there in this modern periodic table only, that we will continue in tomorrow's class, right? So thank you. If there is any doubt, ask me tomorrow or post it through WhatsApp. If nothing, just give me your response as clear, no doubt. Any response, give me through WhatsApp, right? So thank you. We'll meet by tomorrow, same time.